Hey everyone, I just got back trying to figure out these cables for the 24 volt battery pack that I bought. And I took out this tag. And all the wires were below and exposed. And I love how they have this little tab thing to hold the lines down. So I'm going to keep that intact. I'm going to try to keep all the wires on tack. But I found out that there was two, I guess, temperature sensor, one in the front and one in the back, and figure out these three right here, red, black, and blue, on the beginning of this connector are for the temperature sensor, and these 8 are for the 7S series lead to connect to a BMS or something like that. So what I'm going to do is try to find or connect the cables to the BMS, and then maybe hopefully can power this temperature sensor by a temperature meter or something. But then it also had this line in there that just ran from the front to the back, and I don't know what it does because I found it on this one too, but not all of them have it. This is a connection from the front and a connection to the back, and I test the cables, and it's just straight to. And I think when they're connecting packs together, this sends some sort of signal or something, but it doesn't connect to anything. It doesn't connect to here, or it doesn't even connect to there. It's like not even the same header. But now I know that these cables are for the BMS and the temperature sensor. I'm gonna go ahead and wire them down to a BMS once my BMS arrives. But this is just a quick update of what's going on and how the cables were laid out. And I'm gonna shoot another video later when I figure out how I'm gonna connect these together. I know I want them in parallel, but I might need to put individual BMS on each one. Alright, thank you for watching. Just go ahead and subscribe if you want to see more updates. This is just a small update for the cable management, or cables or wirings, Thank you.